There we go. There we go. Ah, he just hung up. God dang. There we go. There we go. No bob. All right, there's number one for the day. Not too bad. There's number one for the day. I'm out of here at Horge Creek Reservoir. There you go, Bob. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Here he goes. This water's so clear, it's beautiful. Bob's like amazed that that thing just came out of the water. He's like, what in the world is that? How did that happen? Look at him. So Bob is like, you know, Bob was bred to be, he's meant to be a hog dog. So he's meant to go out and not track the wild boar, but he's meant to kill the wild boar or pin him down until the hunter gets to him. But he's got a lot of hunting instinct in him. You can just ask my squirrels in my backyard. Here we go. Here we go. Skinny little guy. Skinny little guy. All right, we got another one out here at Horge Creek. Little tiny little dink. Little dink. Come on, Bob. Smell it? Yum. Yum. Smell? Smell? Smell good, huh? Smell good, huh? Alright, we're gonna let him go. It's been a tough day fishing, so this is number two.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
This is crazy. They're jumping like all around me. They're jumping. Jumping everywhere except for onto my hook. Everywhere. Look at that, right there. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Ah, he just hung up. God dang. Stay down. Shoot. There we go. There's a decent one. Hey, come here. How you like that? Fish comes in, dog goes out. Look at Bob. He can touch, so don't worry. Bob, you're scaring my fish away, bro. Hey. Hey, come over here. Check that one out. That's a good one. That's a good one. It's a good one, right? Hey, a 2-pounder. A 2-pounder. Big fight too, going through all this stuff. Hey, come here. Bob, Bob, Bob. Come here, Bubby. Come here. Bob, come here. Hey, Bob, come. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. There you go, and that was an 80-pounder. That was an 80-pounder. Bob, you scared away all the damn fish. Well, there's 3 for the day. It's not too bad. No tankers though. I just kind of, you know, Mother's Day, be a good day to come out here and reflect. My mom passed away 7 years ago from cancer, so good day to come outside, be out here doing this.